Halfway Home Services, Jessup Real Estate, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make changes to text boxes on your personal IHouse website. So to start, we're going to open our browser and we're going to go to jessuprealestate.com. Once we're on jessuprealestate.com, we're going to sign in like we always do by scrolling all the way to the bottom and clicking this admin menu at the very bottom. Once we're there, we'll have to put in our login information. Once our login information is put in and we're signed in, we're going to go up here and select the website we want to edit. So for example, I'm signed in as Norma, so I'm going to edit her website. So I'll click on that website. And then I'm going to click here and click Edit Your Website. So now the first thing we can notice is any spot that has a text box or any highlighted box has this blue box that comes up around it no matter where we go. So let's say I want to change this H1 header. What I do is hover over it until we see this blue box, and then I'm going to go to the top right corner and click the arrow on it. So once I'm here, if you saw for a second, we had the code for the website pop up. So if you just wait a second, then it'll look normal and it'll look like this. So from here, we have full creative control to change whatever we want, and typing in it is just like if we're talking or typing in a word processing document like Microsoft Word or Google Docs. So we can make changes wherever we want. So say I want to make this just say Norma Jessup, I can go and just type. And then we've got a list of controls here for various things we can do. So really, just to break it down simply, we've got the size of our text and the size of our font. We can scroll through anywhere from size 8 to size 72. We've got the headings and the paragraph layout. And any change we make, we can just go ahead and highlight the text we want to change, and then we click on whatever change we want to make. So say I want to make this font 48, I would just click the 48. If we go over to this next group, right here is how we change the font color. Now if we go over to the next group, this B will make our text go to bold, this I will put our text in italics, and this U will underline our text. And then here we have bullet points and numbers for if we're doing a list, how we do our paragraph indentations, and then the arguably most important is this far right group, which is going to be our text alignment. If I click on the very left, it'll be align my text to the left side of the page, the middle will align it to the middle, and the right will align it to the right. So we can go ahead and make any changes we want to make within here, and then once we've made the changes we want to make, we'll click Save This Widget. Once we click Save This Widget, we're brought to an editing homepage, and this editing homepage is if we want to change the layout of our website, but for right now, we're just going to leave it, and I'll talk about that in a different video. So we're going to scroll all the way to the bottom, and we're going to click Finished. Once we click Finished, we'll be brought back to the editing menu, and any changes that we made should be reflected right here. And if you have any questions, feel free to reach out. Thank you.